Hey everyone, Happy New Year, Bonne année. If you are new here, welcome. And if you've already been learning French with me, thank you so much for being here. This year, I'll be sharing weekly shorts and longer videos every 2 weeks, all focused on real everyday French, French pronunciation, and of course, TEF Canada preparation. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I also have free resources like ebooks and courses to help you get started right away. And if you want to go further, I also offer structured paid courses with guidance and support. Now, I would like to hear from you. What kind of videos do you want to see this year? And what are your French goals for 2026? I can't wait to read your comments. Merci et à bientôt.